everyone, today on Cooking Up Love, I'm going to share with you our homemade recipe for making hamburger buns. If you like soft but hearty buns for your burgers, these are simple to make and they're ready in about 30 minutes. Add your favorite toppings, bake and enjoy delicious homemade hamburger buns. Now let me show you how to make them. Take a look at our ingredients. We'll be using warm water, 1 egg, salt, avocado or extra virgin olive oil, yeast, sugar, and flour, and I'm adding sesame seeds and everything but the bagel for the top. I've also listed the ingredients and the recipe in the description box below. First, measure out 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast, 1/4 cup of sugar, add the cup of warm water, and you'll want it between 105 and 110 degrees, and then let this sit for just about 5 minutes. The yeast will get nice and foamy like this. Begin preheating your oven to 425 degrees now. Next, add the rest of the ingredients. 1/3 cup of avocado oil, 1 egg, and I start with 3 cups of sifted all-purpose flour. And a teaspoon of kosher salt. Mix this all together until the dough starts to come off the sides of the bowl. You can use a stand mixer or do this by hand. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic, and if the dough is too sticky, slowly add more flour. If this is your first time at our channel, welcome. We are making easy, no-fail recipes that you can make with confidence and share with everyone you love. And I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new recipe. And I've added about another 1/2 cup here. This is supposed to be a very soft and spongy and a little sticky dough, so don't over add flour or your buns will be very dense. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and divide it evenly. For sliders, divide the dough into 12 pieces. For larger buns, divide it into 8 pieces. Roll the dough into smooth balls and place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or that has been lightly greased. These buns are delicious plain, and we also like to top them with sesame seeds or everything but the bagel seasoning. Brush the buns with melted butter, or I'm using 1 egg white mixed with a pinch of salt and about a tablespoon of water. The salt will help break down the stringiness of the egg whites. Once you've brushed the buns, sprinkle on your favorite toppings. Bake for 7 to 10 minutes until they're golden on top. Then, cool on a rack and slice to use with burgers, chicken sandwiches, pulled pork, like our Dr. Pepper pulled pork. I'll link that recipe up here for you. Hey guys, if you like this recipe, hit the like button to let me know. And if you're looking for more easy and delicious party food, check out the playlist that I put together for you. Thanks again for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.